Reading practice number 4. Dear Mr. Mild, at a time when people are demanding more informative advertising, television commercials are constantly get shorter, period. The trend is toward 30 seconds spots, which allow just enough time for about 100 words, period. The amount of time is not sufficient to tell customers everything they want to know to be well informed regarding the things you produce these days, period. They want to know about prices, guarantees, and many other items. Paragraph. Why not promote your products in the medium that can supply this information to your potential customers, period. Place your advertising in newspapers, where the average render can absorb 300 or 400 words in 30 seconds of reading time. Paragraph. Newspapers have been the hardest working advertising medium for a long time, period. So, Mr. Mild, doesn't it make good sense to let them work for you? Question mark. Yours very truly,